So in this section, we are discussing about how to manage the cart actions in each product Okay, so this is the admin tab. So in this admin tab itself, we can able to manage the cart actions of each product here. So coming under to the catalog section, catalog is having the product. So in the product section, we can see the all product list and as well as the unpublished product also. So here in this section, all product list, here we can able to choose any of the product action. We can able to click under to the action and action coming to the edit option. Here in this edit section, here the tab manage is there. So in the tab manage section, you can able to add whether which are all the features you needed, that you can able to add from here or add an update from here. And here it is having the return and cancellation policy. If you need any return and cancellation policy of any product, you can able to update from here. And here the manage product SEO is there. If you need to manage the product SEO, you can able to manage from here by clicking on this, and you can able to update from here. And then add on properties there, that you can able to update from this option. If you need any add on properties or anything you needed, that you can able to update from here. Then specification is there, that you can able to update. Okay, and coming to this, the manage cart action is also there. This manage cart action also you can able to update from here. So by clicking on to update, that cart action can be seen here. So in this section, you can able to update whether manage the cart action like the send or receive the WhatsApp via product ordering. While you are ordering the product, if you need to receive any message through WhatsApp, you need any message or anything, that you can able to enable from here. If you enable here, you will get any of the message whether you ordered any products or anything. Then price display for the product is there. If you enable, you can able to see here enable product inquiry, that you can able to see from here. Enable card for the product also you can able to enable here. So if you need to enable anything, you can able to enable from here, and you can also able to disable also. So in this section, you can able to enable or disable. So after updating all the things, you can able to click onto the publish button, and you can able to click on to publish all. And then you can able to view on the catalog view. And from that, in this catalog section, you can able to view on store mode. So in this on store mode, you can able to see the product also. Here this product name and the discount and everything. And here also you can able to see the tabs like add to cart, buy now, quote now. So all these are the tabs that is enabled from the admin side. Okay, so this is the way to upload any other contents from the admin side. Okay, thank you.